How do I wash my Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a simple but essential topic: how to wash Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine. Cleaning your shoes properly is essential to maintain their quality, comfort, and longevity. Let's dive right in.
Preparing your shoes for washing.
The first thing you want to do is prepare your Skechers memory foam shoes for washing. Start by removing the shoelaces and the insoles, if they're removable. This helps ensure a thorough clean and reduces the chances of damage. Next, clean off any loose dirt or debris. You can use a soft brush or cloth to wipe off the dirt, but be gentle to avoid damaging the material. Lastly, place your shoes in a mesh laundry bag. This will protect them from becoming tangled or banged around during the wash.
Setting up the washing machine.
Now that your shoes are ready, let's move on to setting up the washing machine. Use a gentle cycle setting on your washing machine. The gentler the cycle, the less likely your shoes are to be damaged. As for the detergent, choose a mild one. Avoid any detergent with bleach or harsh chemicals that might harm the shoe material. Cold water is recommended as hot water can warp or shrink your shoes. If possible, add some towels or cloth items to the wash to balance the load and further protect your shoes.
Drying your Skechers memory foam shoes.
Once your shoes are washed, they need to be dried properly. Do not use a dryer. The heat from a dryer can warp the shape of your shoes and damage the memory foam. Instead, air dry your shoes. Place them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. You can stuff them with paper towels or white cloth to help maintain their shape and absorb the moisture. That's it. Now you know how to wash your Skechers memory foam shoes in a washing machine properly. This process might take a bit of your time, but it's totally worth it for the longevity of your favorite shoes. Happy washing, and see you in the next video.